All right, open up this tin with me. So I have like, I think 5 more of these tins. And we have the Cosmo. I love this. I love these. They're awesome. I didn't realize this was in there too. So Spirit on. Here we go. We have 3. I'm going to do the Paradox because I'm pretty sure I have a chase in there. So. Do you like Miltank? We like Miltank. Wimpa. Oh, Pussy. Minor. Why is it that? Meteor. Dawn Stosa. Okay. Last chance. Dang it. We didn't get it. All right. Second pack. My hands are blue because I dyed my hair blue again. And don't judge me. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Don't judge me. I got an appointment tomorrow. Fire. Fight. Absol. Semi-stage. Norman. Norman. What? I got a hit. What is it? A full art? Yep. Nice. Double? No. Nice little full art there. We'll put you right here. Perfect. Oh shit. This other Cosmo was in there too. Try the Masquerade. Water. Earth. Wind. Oh yeah, bro. Applin, my granddaughter's favorite. Orange Mask. Sunflora. Enhanced Hammer. Medina. Oh, and an EX. Greninja EX. I can't be mad about that. Okay, our 2 hits for the day. Thanks for watching.